From fueling kitchens to powering entire industries, Megha Gas PNG is transforming the way energy works for you. It's more than just a household fuel. It is a clean, reliable solution trusted by homes, commercial kitchens, food courts, and small businesses across India. In the industrial sector, PNG plays a vital role in operations like textiles, ceramics, engineering, pharmaceuticals, and food processing. It delivers high efficiency heating without the hassle of storage while significantly reducing emissions. That means safer workplaces, cleaner air, and smoother production. For everyday cooking, heating, boiling, or baking, PNG offers unmatched convenience, no more cylinder bookings or refills, just a 24 by 7 uninterrupted supply. That's cost effective and eco friendly, offering consistent performance and lower maintenance. With an expanding network, Megha Gas PNG is fueling comfort, productivity, and progress across India. Want to know where our services are available? Connect with Megha Gas today and experience the smarter way to fuel your world.